Hi cuties. Welcome back to my channel. Do you ever wake up for school and feel like you don't look your best? Maybe your hair looks messy, or your face feels dull. And suddenly you realize, some girls in school always look effortlessly pretty. You start thinking, what's their secret? Is it makeup? Is it expensive products? Or something else? The truth is, looking beautiful at school is not about money or heavy makeup. It's about simple, smart tricks that anyone can do. Once upon a time, there was a girl who always felt a little nervous before going to school. She thought everyone else looked better than her. But one day, she discovered a few simple tricks, and suddenly, people started saying, "Wow, you look so pretty today." Here I am going to tell you what she applied before going to school and what her beauty secrets are. 1. First, select a cleanser that suits your skin type. If you have oily skin, a foaming cleanser might be a good choice for your skin. After that, wash your face with lukewarm water. Washing your face in the morning helps remove sweat, dirt, excess oil, and bacteria that can build up on your skin surface overnight. 2. Brushing teeth. Brush your teeth twice because teeth is also considered as part of your beauty. Regular brushing keeps teeth strong, prevents staining, and supports a healthy mouth and overall well-being. 3. Keep a spoon in the fridge and place it under your eyes for 1 minute. Your face looks instantly awake and glowing at school. If you have dark circle, this hack reduce your dark circle naturally without any expensive product. That's a beauty hack only a few girls know. 4. Started braiding your hair at night. In the morning, when you opened it, your hair looked wavy and stylish, without heat or products. Other girls thought she spent hours, but it was just one simple trick. Pause the video and make sure to subscribe my channel for more beauty secrets. 5. After washing your face in the morning, apply tiny bit of BB cream or light foundation, not too much, just enough to even out her skin. This way your face looked smooth and glowing, but still natural. Nobody could even tell you applied something. 6. Instead of makeup, you need to carry a tinted lip balm. One tiny dab on her lips and a little pat on her cheeks gave you a natural blush. No one even realized it was a hack, but you always looked fresh and cute. 7. Apply mild perfume. If you apply lightweight perfume at your dress and wrists, you'll smell fresh the whole day. It's soft, natural, and people will notice you in a good way and no one know that you really apply something because of its soft fragrance. 8. Apply a little clear nail polish, not colored, just clear. It made your nails look shiny and healthy, and teachers never complained because it wasn't bold. Even your hands looked soft and pretty without any effort. 9. Always carry a small accessory, like a hair clip, a delicate bracelet, or even a cute things. People started recognizing you for that little detail. It made your look unique in the whole class. They add functional benefits by helping to manage or secure hair. 10. Healthy food. Glowing skin starts with what you eat. Choose healthy food instead of junk, and small cup of coffee in the morning keeps you active, fresh, and focused in class. So these were her hidden tricks. Simple but rare secrets that made her the prettiest girl at school, without anyone even knowing how. Try them out, and you'll see how quickly people start noticing your glow. And yes, beauty is rare when it's natural. Like the video, subscribe for more.